Buffet, CP. Three, show. CP value is good in overall, not much options for hot food but lots of options for dessert. Food refill is fast, which is great. For semi-buffet, we picked the beef and lamb, both portions are big. Staff are very nice and provide good service. All of our family members enjoy a lot. The food is fresh. We bought a buy one get three free deal on Saturday, which was great value. Each person got a large hairy crab, and there was also toro and baked oysters. Our group of over 10 people was celebrating a birthday. We notified the hotel 3 days in advance, and they provided a free birthday cake with our names written on it. Everyone was very happy and satisfied. It is good choice for both eating and shopping. We enjoyed the food with a lot of choice and the quality is up to standard. It is bonus to have beer all you can drink. Code ~~~. Here. Good. I'm appreciate your restaurant to arrange and all waitress is good bond service. My mom was happy to celebrating her birthday at last night. There was a nourishing buffet that day, with delicious food such as snake soup and mutton, and the environment was great. Very satisfied, better than imagined. Crocodile order sashimi, skewers, buffet seafood dessert salad cheese frozen meat, beef congee, Chinese and Western soup, coffee machine, juice, tea bags, and Hagen Master all you can eat, most especially fresh popcorn. 7 tuna. Apart from the whole cut tuna, which was quite unique, the other dishes were quite ordinary and there were no surprises. All very good. The hot plates are excellent, with tuna slaughtered on the spot, and a crab each, great value.